Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Cesar Mapasinabu. I am 37 years old. I, I am widow. I have two kids, 15 and 10 years old, both girls, high school graduate. I have experience before in Saudi and Iran.
Okay, what are your job duties in Saudi Arabia?
Domestic helper store.
So, what are your job duties? How many children did you take care?
Only one.
How old is the children?
7.
So, can you give me all your job duties there? Every time you wake up until you done your work.
My main job is only the cleaning the house, sir, but only the morning to prepare the food for baby.
You do all the household chores?
Yes.
Okay, and then the other country. Do you have any other country work experience?
Yes, sir. I serve for
In which country?
Erbil, Iraq, sir.
Okay.
I serve for 4 people there, adult and 1 boy.
You do all the household chores also?
Yes.
You do all finish contract?
3 months before finish, sir.
So all of this country are finished contract, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check first the diaper if it's wet. I will check the temperature. I feel the milk and
Do you know how to sing a baby song? Nursery song, can you sing?
twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you have a long patience for naughty children? Do you have a long patience for naughty children? Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come Hong Kong, sir, because I want to earn money and support my family for financials.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir, because we have a lot of dog and cats in our home.
Who will take care of your kids when you work there in Hong Kong?
My mother and real sister.
Do you know how to shower the baby?
Sir,
What do you need to prepare?
I prefer lukewarm water, towel, and soap.
What do you need to be careful during taking a bath with a baby?
I will take care the eyes, nose, ears, and mouth to spill the water.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
What food can you cook?
I want native Filipino food.
Are you love cooking?
Yes.
Okay. If ever your employer want you to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong, are you willing?
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
Okay. Can you assist take other person if ever they're elderly in the house?
Yes, sir.
If ever there is the employer have a car, are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, my future. Please hire me to because I am honest person and cheerful and
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir. Thank you.